If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy A57 to your computer and transfer data, then the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. We want to simply connect our phone to our computer or laptop via USB cable. You can use the same one that you use for charging if it fits your computer or laptop. And then once we connect, we should be able to go to notifications. And then over here in the notifications, we need to find USB for charging phone. We want to select this option. And in here, we need to switch to transferring files / Android Auto over here. You might need to enter your screen lock password in order to confirm that you want to do that. After that, you should be able to open your computer and you should be able to find your A57. So of course, we can go over there and you can find the internal storage. And of course, you should be able to locate all files that you have on your phone, like your screenshots, your photos, videos, audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. And you can easily transfer them to your computer, and anything that you have on your computer that you want to transfer on your phone, you can easily do that as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.